welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this unit from WowAfrican. I absolutely love this color. I think they did such a beautiful job with the highlight, but my favorite part about this unit is probably the construction. This is a 12x6 pre-everything glueless HD lace wig. So the lace comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and then you also get adjustable hooks in the back so it fits different head sizes, plus clips and anti-slip elastic bands, which helps everything stay secure without glue. So I will be doing a glueless install today. In the box, they also provided a wig cap, a rat tail comb, some clips for sectioning, a satin scarf, and an edge brush. So you have everything that you need to get started. I just wanted to show you guys another close-up of how beautiful the color on this unit is. But as I mentioned, it's completely glueless, which makes it very beginner friendly, and the lace is HD lace, so it melts right into your skin. But since it is a fringe style, you don't really have to spend a lot of time on the insulation part of it and worry about laying the lace perfectly. You can literally just put it on your head and go. And look at how just natural it looks on my head. The hair is super soft and I didn't experience any tangling or shedding. As you guys can see, I'm playing around in the hair quite a bit and I literally was obsessed. I could have stopped here because it's literally, this wig is perfect, but for the purpose of the video, I wanted to give you guys a little bit more content and a little bit more inspo and ideas. So I decided to enhance the curls a little bit by using my flat iron. In an ideal world, I would have used a curling iron, but mine broke a while ago and I never replaced it. So I've just been using my flat iron to curl my hair and my wand curler. This was the best that I could do, okay? And then I used these Velcro rollers because I wanted the hair to have big, fluffy 70s curls. That's kind of what this wig was channeling, so I wanted to tap into that energy. I really wasn't sure how I wanted to style the actual bang, but I did decide to cut it a little bit, just a little bit off camera so that it frames my face a little bit better, and I really like the way that it turned out. You of course don't have to do this. This was just a last minute impulsive decision. And I also wanted to just show you guys a few ways that you could style this unit. I feel like it's super versatile. I didn't play around with like different ways to part it, but you have a lot of available parting space if you wanted to play around with the parts. I just love this wig so much. I haven't had bangs in I can't even remember how long, and I felt like it was like channeling an alter ego. But no, I really love this hair a lot. So overall, my final review after installing and styling it, I would say that this is a really great option if you're looking for something low maintenance but still polished. The hair is beautiful, the color is beautiful, the density is great. It feels really secure on my head actually, which is something that I wanted to sort of put to the test because I feel like sometimes wigs are too loose on my head and there's like a gap in the back of the wig because it's too big, and I didn't experience that at all. I was able to play around with all of the features of the wig cap that allow you to customize it to fit your head, and so it was really secure without needing glue. And I feel like this is just a really great wig for someone who wants something quick and easy without having to spend a lot of time customizing the unit and installing the unit. You really can just put it on your head and go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.